Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Train Show Halls. Should just call it that from now on. Okay, well, I went to Hamburg. That's going to be the first thing I said. The train show over at Hamburg, New York. People, Art, and the gang put on a little show every, weekend before Thanksgiving and the weekend of Valentine's Day. But problem is, I went nuts. Should never have done that. Pity. So, I'm going to tell you a little story time. Get together, get around, little children. Let me talk. This is like creepy, isn't it? Sounds creepy. Okay, so what I did was there was some things going on. I found some deals, and it's been a while since I picked up anything decent. So here we go. And right behind there is Mike's Train Hut DCS system. So a gentleman came in and said, "Hey, I got something. You're buying something? I got something for you. What is it?" It's a digital command control system. It's like, cool. So I looked at it. It's a 5 amp or 6 amp. Guy bought it for an O. The guy deceived him onto that. It's used. It's been around a little bit. So $120 too much later. Boom, I got it. So that's going to be, I got an easy commander. I've been trying to get this, but this was a little bit more powerful, so I could put the whole layout onto it. That's the ultimate thing. And it looked like it was pretty good. I think it was used to begin with. It's been around a little bit, but it has all the instructions and everything. The guy said it was new, but it looks used. So we'll see about that. So again, $130 too much for that. So we go around to the next thing. So I cannot find it. So a gentleman that's one of our normal sellers at all the shows, especially around here, he had a bunch of these for $15 a piece, F&C models. And I've been meaning to get a few more of them here and there, but these were the older ones, and some of them are duplicates of ones I already have. So I'm here looking at $15 a piece. Another gentleman that runs the shows, I had to be nice to him. He got first pick of it, because I was just going to take the whole thing, because it's like at $15 a piece. Anything that's duplicate, it could go on eBay, not a problem. I could sell it. So I figured, okay, what the heck? So I got myself 23 F&C kits at $15 a piece. Again, a lot of money later. That was a cash transaction, pretty much clearing out my whole change box. But that's kind of cool, because I got a bunch of this, stuff that I wanted to get. And I got to put you down for a second. So I got all these cars to go through. So this is, fodder for me to do some stuff. So let me go in, and I'm going to do, also got some freebies too. Not the blue boxes. Those have always been there. So yeah, and that's how it, it's all there and everything. So especially the speed lettering box car I always wanted to get. So some of the southern ones are going to go away. I wanted another X28, and they had, the hopper cars and the twin milk car, which was kind of cool. Got another dispatch covered hopper. Got a bunch of the H30As that they made a while back. Okay, so let me kick you off. Let me pause. I gotta find the other two things I bought. Hold on. Okay, we're back. So this is another thing I picked up. I just put it right on there. So this is a John English kit. Oops. Hold still, Chris. So this actually, he says it's complete minus motor. It has the trailing wheels, but it doesn't have fronts. So this is a K4 kit. So this is kind of cool, except I don't like that screw there. But I think you could hide it. You could put something in to hide it. So there's a super detailing right there, the boiler and stuff. And you could sometimes you could cut this stuff down and make it, but this is an English kit. So this is definitely from the 50s. Someone changed that out. No, that's right. But I could put the right wheels and the right stuff, since I have all sorts of parts from eBay pickup. So that was kind of cool. And the last thing I picked up is a Bowser H8. Is this an H8? Wait a minute. L1 Mikado right there. L1, oops, don't want to show that. L1 Mikado. So right there is a complete M1 Mikado kit. I have motors, so it's not a big deal. Vintage newspaper. Hasn't been messed with. It's complete. Paid way too much. Actually, I dealed the guy down a little bit, but man, I don't like paying a lot for these, but this one looked pretty clean. So that was my haul from the, like it's still the pen line. I actually do have this I do have this in a pen line. So it is kind of cool. I have it in pen line. So yeah, that's my hauls here. So if you like videos of me buying bunches of stuff at these train shows and showing them off, hopefully we could get this one going. I bought a 2 for the instructions and the parts so I could get the pen line I got going. So yeah, if you like anything, if you like stuff like this, like and subscribe. I put up a bunch of stuff. Remember, this is the resume of my life. That's how I call this YouTube channel. It is the resume of life because I show you stuff they do. Like, yeah. Talk to you guys later.